Hi, I'm Stephanie Teresia from Communication and Public Relations 2009. I had my internship in Auckland, New Zealand in Kuko PR, which is public relations in fashion industry. And I worked only with my supervisor there. And basically, I had a lot of experiences from my internship. And even from the basic one, from when I was applying the job. And I think it's not an easy thing, like you have to decide which one is the best for you, because you have to decide by yourselves. And then basically I make it like internship is like a playing puzzle. You have to make them to be a perfect combination for your future.
Well, the very basic one is I got working experience. I worked only with my supervisor, and every day I was with her, and basically I know how the people in New Zealand, how people overseas think about something that may be totally different from us. And I know how they work, and they teach me how to think simple and how to do something faster. And the last one is I can try to have several kind of jobs with people from around the world, because New Zealand is quite a lot of people from another cultural background, like from Asia, from Europe, and some another part of the world. And the last one and the most important one is I got a good name for my CV, like for the working experiences and also from my references. The second one is I can learn many new things, like for example, I did barista certification there. I did some baking courses, cooking courses, and also decorating courses, and I got many certificates from them, which is something that I will not get from Indonesia, because basically when we are around our country, we're gonna be busy with our own stuff, and when we are out of our country, we can learn many other things that we maybe not even think about it before. And I just think that before I went to New Zealand, I have to use and I have to spend my time wisely. I have to get something instead of working.
The third part that I got from New Zealand when I was there is I have a lot of new friends. I got a lot of new connections there, and I still keep communicating with them. And basically, they taught me a lot of things. Like they teach me how to deal with Kiwi, which I never dealt before, and I know how to reduce my cultural shock, which is because I live only by myself there. And the fourth one is the maturity in life, which is basically when we are around our country, we totally dependent on our parents, and probably we can manage several things by ourselves. But when you are overseas, you can learn how to save your money, your financial things, like how to pay your electricity, and it's not a cheap things, and you have to save your money for it, and then how to save your money for food and stuff, and basically how to survive there without your parents. And the fifth one is I have to clear future plan now, because when I was there, I did a lot of things that actually I just realized that I like it and I want to do it in the future. And that is the best benefit for your life from your internship. The pessimist complains about the wind, and the optimist adjusts the sails. We have to be the optimist one to adjust the sail, which is we can do something to manage our future. And internship basically is one of the best solutions to know what kind of things you want to do in the future.